If you have enjoyed your today with someone else finance and you feel like yourself, so this video should be definitely for you. And another for whom doesn't know even what will the quality of their tomorrow. So basically the theme of this video is grasp the real life you want ahead. And I want you to let you know that this video is described into parts, so the topic of finance can also engage here. So here what I mean by futureless is you probably don't have plans to follow, and you probably don't have goals to follow. That's the biggest problem. So here start engaging yourself into those things that matters and that you are interested in. That's the biggest thing. Now when you have started doing this, keep it making done for 2 days, 4 days, and at least couple of weeks. And when you have started doing it, don't make plans immediately. That's the biggest problem everybody faces in last it. And when you have started doing, take a copy and write only those things that are making interruptions. And if you say me that you are not facing interruptions, that then why you are not capable of making it more better. And overall I want to I want you to make it more enhancing, cause this gonna be your profession, your culture, your lifestyle. That's the point, bro. And now in the term of earning money by it, is you probably haven't make money yet so far. And in the term of earning money, you can start engaging yourself in online courses like Instagram, YouTube, to guide peoples. And the thing is, in this field you will find not making money immediately, but this is gonna be your upcoming time earning in few chances. But you want to earn within months, you have to make plan over it in every field. Like you need to make yourself engaging in the field with the people that are making 1,000 and even lakhs per month. So when you have started doing all these things, keep making yourself more engaging into this. And you can start institute. And when you have started institute, you have to guide peoples how can they become better, and you can get paid from them. And when you have started all these things, write only the things that can help you to engage into more institutions, and enhance the quality over it, that whatever you are doing. And when you have started all these things, uh, you are now able to recognize that you have left everything that you were doing past month, like studies and jobs, etc., whatever were useless. So after doing all these things, now you will find yourself that this has become your profession and culture. Now this has become your subtitle of your life, even. So after doing all these things, you have all the ways to make it profitable, and make it your future ahead. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more empowerment content.